the smile is beautiful, Riba. Uncle Marangbah is breathing here. Balong ni jonga. Tidur jongpi, tidur jonga. Wow. Hello, Khasi people, Nordic people. Kumno pilong paralog. Welcome back, everyone. Yes, we are back again, and today we are reacting from Amos studio, guys. Amos studio. We have Marangbah and Riba. You know Marangbah, one of my favorite comedian actor also. Yes, what's up, bro? Hope you're doing well. So the music title is IEID IA PHI. IEID IA PHI. Okay, yeah, I think it's like my laugh. Is it laugh? It's a laugh song. IEID is like my laugh. IEID IA PHI. IEID IA PHI. Oh, I'm getting confused now. Anyway, it's regarding laugh. I'm pretty sure, guys. It's been 1 month now since I left Shillong. Now I'm forgetting to speak Khasi. But anyway, Kerteng, Gabs, Gabi, I love you all. How do you say I love you all? They said na iya pi. Okay, let's check it out. Thank you, guys. We almost 100K. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I'm really so blessed because of all of you, these people, especially Meghalaya, guys. I'm really so proud. I don't know how to appreciate this, but just God bless you, guys. God bless you for all the love. We made it, guys. So let's go. This is Riba. First time seeing Riba. Oh, Marangbah, straight up, Marangbah. I think Riba is leading you. Okay. Oh, Marangbah also can go. Jonga, not Jongpi. Jonga. This is Uncle Marangbah. Uncle Marangbah is now with a small lady. See, the smile is beautiful, Riba. Uncle Marangbah is breathing here. Balong ni jonga. Tidur jonga. Sim jonga. Hasan dapat bandan ringkat syadam ka kende ba perkat balado kwai for you, bro. I miss eating kwai. Guys, I need someone to parcel for me some kwai. How do you is there anyone to help me get kwai? I miss kwai. Hey. Tidur jongpi. Nan itaya pi haper thei bayan. Ngan kiên ngan tân rong là sợp nê dân gia. Ngan duai ha uplay banyak ka jinsu. Ya pi bad ya ngangin ne ka jingmut. Oh iya pi wala da ngam yo i ngala bandra tidur jongpi jing ye jonga shisha kadang gabo umat na pingase nala dengan tlo. Wow. To be continued. Okay, this is just part 1 of how Marangbah is falling in love with Riba. Okay, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful, and it's my first time watching Riba. Also, I don't know, is she a singer or she was just actress in this music video? You can also tell me, guys. And yeah, you all know, guys. You all know how good is this guy, Marangbah, guys. I love to react to his music video because he always give his best. In this music video, I think it's all about the love song. You can see how they expressing their love, and in kind of, love always make you blind and dream much. So this is Amos Studio. Yeah, Amos Studio. Congrats also for the 100K. Yeah, congrats. And also say congrats to me in advance, guys, because of all of you. Now we are all hitting 100K, guys. You guys are so supporting. Let's keep supporting each other, guys. And I'm just so happy to meet all of you guys. I'm really so happy. I know how supporting and lovely are you guys. I really been in Shillong and I enjoyed my Shillong trip. Shillong is a really best amazing place, guys, to be, and people are so friendly, so lovely. Love you all. Na EAP, Love from Africa, guys. Do check them out. Also support their channel, guys. Support the local talent, promote them, guys. I'm also so happy to watch the Khasi, the local talent, guys. Love from Africa. Till next time.